Christmas Eve 2019, Dutch Harbor, Alaska, Captain's Bay Road. We got bad enough weather today that there's a lot of birds and animals pushed up on the road together. So I thought it'd be pretty awesome just to drive down the road and let's see what's going on. I'll be pointing stuff out as we go and listening to the little radio. Hopefully I can keep the weather out. Sea otters. They're out there playing around. They just went under. A lot of harlequin. Sea otters, gulls. Gets really good probably 2 or 3 minutes from here. Some beautiful harlequin right there. Look at that guy. Oh, he's a good one. Look at those. This weather's kicking. Normal winter day. Oh yeah. Once we get through the next little area,
what child is this? You
it gets
expect
real
to hear
good. There's a lot
the
of
music
birds.
Old green slate. So why don't you talk about what you think the history is behind the song? And by the way, interesting, isn't it? Because most people listening would not have immediately identified that as the way we sing it here in the United States.
Well, What Child Is This is, to me, the
Some
most
gulls.
emotional of all of the Christmas carols. That one,
There's
as we
Harley.
sing, it makes me more pensive than any other.
Got some
The
scoters
words
up
were
here.
written by William
In a little while,
Chatterton
too.
Dix, who actually was an insurance salesman from Glasgow, Scotland. He was British,
little sea otter.
from England, but moved to Glasgow, went into insurance. He was a believer, and he loved to write.
Can't really
for
stop
children.
or
That was, what he
everything
did,
goes under.
as
Just
a
stop.
ministry, and he didn't do it as a profession.
I gotta get to
but
the
that
other
was
side of the
his
road, go
hobby,
around this
his,
bend.
Sanctified hobby and his ministry. So he wrote the words, "What child is this?"
Harley's out there.
Which is very, very old. Some people think that it was written by Henry VIII.
I gotta roll the window.
Written by him, but it was written very likely during his time. Shakespeare refers to it. We know that Elizabeth I danced to it. So it goes very, very far back in history. But when you sing "What Child Is This" to that tune, Green Sleeve,
If I see anything
and
good,
you
I'll
come
roll
to
the
that
window back
haunting
down.
chorus, this is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him laud, the babe, the Son of Mary. To me, that's as an emotional and as poignant as it gets during the Christmas season.
I could not agree more. So interesting. Well, let me go back to Silent Night. Obviously, maybe the most recognizable Christmas carol and one of the most universally loved. And I know for a lot of people listening, there's
your big trawler boats right there.
But I love the way you wrote about this because it proves that in God's economy, there really are no accidents. Talk to us about Silent Night.
Alaskan.
Silent Night is almost 200 years old. It's coming up on a birthday
Alaskan
pretty soon.
Defender,
It's
I think.
Continual. And it
The Alaskan Defender and the Bering
And I
Defender.
think that just the setting of it, if it weren't for the beauty of the music and the beauty of the words, the setting would enhance it as one of our favorite carols because we can see those snow-clad.
This is one of the seafood places here in Dutch.
During the,
Most of the people
Christmas season. And the whole,
that work here
location of it and the
live in those
picturesque
apartments up
nature of the
there.
world, we
There's
can see it
a
in
few
our
apartment
minds, makes it so
complexes.
beautiful. The little town
Christmas Eve, so it's pretty scarce. There's nobody around.
In the in Austria, and there was a church there, a
Some
little
more
church
apartments
that,
up there.
It was called the Church of St. Nicholas, and as churches were in the in those days and still are today in many places, it was predominantly
There's your
driven
Pacific
by the organ
Prince.
when it came to music, and midnight mass was the most important service of the year. The parish priest there was a man who was deeply loved by his people. His name was Joseph Mohr, M-O-H-R, and he was preparing for the Christmas Eve service. Now, there's a couple of versions of the story, and the traditional story is probably pretty well true, although I don't know that we can nail down every detail. But the story is that the organ was broken, but we aren't he had previously written that
Scoters.
he thought might make a good substitute for a song if he could get some guitar music to go with it. And it was the word Silent Night. So he gave it to his organist, Franz Gruber, G-R-U-B-E-R. And
Harlequins.
come up with the melody for this, for
Pretty
these words.
awesome.
It's the best we can do tonight. So all
Bunch
the people
of 'em.
gathered in at midnight mass in this
Look at these
snowflake village in
guys.
this little church of St. Nicholas, and instead of the resonating sounds of the organ, it was an acoustic
They are
set
beautiful.
with the guitar and a couple of
Tastes
men
pretty good,
singing
too.
the words to Silent Night, Holy Night, all is calm, all is bright. And if only I could have been there somehow, if I could transport myself, I would have loved to have been there that evening. But afterwards, the song was repeated and heard by the Strausser family, which was a popular music family in Austria, very much like the Von Trapp family singers would be a century later. And so they began singing this in fairs and
Got some
festivals
mergansers and
and it became very
harlequins.
popular throughout the German-speaking world of Europe.
Try
And
to
was
stay
brought
on
to
the
America by
road.
German-speaking
There's sea otters
Christians
floating
who have been
around out
singing
there
it
with
ever since.
scoters.
And it almost defines Christmas in oh so many ways. Have you ever heard, by the way, Robert, this performed where it's simply
There's
a
some
voice and
sea
guitar?
otters coming up,
Yes, there's
playing
something
around.
so simple about that. But I'll tell you, Janet, my favorite way of singing it is in a congregation when we just sing it a cappella.
Yes, I'm with you completely on that. Robert Morgan is our guest. We're talking about his book, Come Let Us Adore Him, Stories Behind the Most Cherished Christmas Hymns. Have a listen.
Look at all those harlequins. Sea otter. Some more
Hi, this is Nancy, and
Harleys.
do you guys ever use an advent calendar? There are all kinds of them. Now, some of them have
Sea otter
stories
floating
behind each
around with
door.
the
Some of them
Harleys.
have, yeah, a
And
piece of
some
chocolate.
scoters. Check those
That's
guys.
not so bad,
Those
right?
are pretty.
Other ones have things you can do. I have a girlfriend who made her
Sea
own
otter
advent
eating on a
calendar.
starfish.
Every day it included things like make a
Something
handmade
needs to
Christmas
eat them
Make
freaking
handmade
starfish. They're
ornaments.
everywhere.
Write a card to somebody.
Gazillions
Say a
of them.
prayer for so-and-so. Isn't that a great idea? Your own advent calendar.
Tony Evans looks at
Scoters.
Christmas a bit differently than some. He says that on that first Christmas morning, we had a baby in a manger who created his own mother and stepfather, as well as the donkeys, sheep, and shepherds that surrounded him.
Harleys.
The manger was set on ground that he formed. On the day Jesus came as a baby, God poured himself into flesh. Our hope at Moody Radio
Sea
is that
otter.
you think deeply about who Jesus is, and realize that he
Eating
came
on
so he
something.
could die on a
Hopefully a
cross for our
starfish.
sins.
Looks like a
We don't get to
starfish.
heaven by being good or by going to church. We get to heaven because we put our faith and trust in
Seagull.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, 2 raisins, 1 cracker, and a single almond. Yep, that's my food pantry.
We laugh, but sometimes Christians feed themselves spiritually the same way.
Seagulls chasing that
Why not
sea
take
otter.
in something healthy? Today in the Word is a daily dose of scripture and application. A fresh topic or book of the Bible every month. Plus, it's available in 3 flavors.
See all the
Bread,
boats on the other
podcast,
side,
or email, all free.
waiting for the next season,
At todayintheword.org.
or waiting for the cod.
Okay, this is Nancy Turner.
They'll be
and
coming into
I
cod
must
season
admit,
at the beginning
I love
of the
certain
year.
Christmas movies more
Sea
than
otter.
others. I have a favorite. A lot of people have never seen this one. It's called Prancer. Okay, have you ever seen the movie Prancer? I saw it in the theaters. I own the DVD. I watch it every year more than once, and I force everyone to watch it with me. I want to know your favorite Christmas
Harlequins.
movies.
This
Let
is
me
about-
know.
about
You can
it.
Reach out, Nancy
About
at
all.
moody.edu. Nancy at moody.edu.
With SRN News, I'm Ron DeRockstra. What kind of Christmas gift could North Korean leader Kim Jong-un have for the United States? President Trump says it could be a nice present, such as a beautiful vase rather than
scoters
a
out
missile
there.
launch. The president was
Ooh.
asked Tuesday what he thought.
There's an old squaw way out there. It's got the white head out there. Old squaw and a hen. Drake and a hen. I wish they were closer. Beautiful birds. That's Dutch Harbor, Captain's Bay Road. Not the whole thing, but pretty much. Christmas Eve 2019, where the weather had birds pushed in pretty good.